In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to retrieve deleted items on Monday.com with this comprehensive guide for 2025. Whether you've accidentally deleted an important item or you're just trying to recover something you lost, I'll walk you through the process step by step, ensuring that you can restore your data with ease and confidence. Ensuring your work gets securely restored is essential in maintaining efficiency and avoiding potential setbacks, so let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to log in to Monday.com. To get started, simply head over to Monday.com in your web browser or open up the desktop or mobile application if that's more convenient for you. Once you're there, sign in with your account credentials. It's important to use the correct login associated with the account where the deletion occurred, as this will ensure access to the correct files and data you need to recover. Now that you're logged in, the next step is to open the recycle bin. To do this, navigate over to the left sidebar and look towards the bottom left corner where you'll see your profile picture. Go ahead and click on your profile picture. Doing this will bring up a menu from which you need to select the recycle bin. Once you click that, a window will open up displaying all the items, groups, boards, or dashboards that have been deleted within the last 30 days. It's essential to remember that, by default, Monday.com retains deleted items only for a 30-day period, so timely recovery is key. With the recycle bin open, it's time to locate the specific item you wish to recover. This can be easily done using the search bar or by utilizing the available filters to narrow down to what you're looking for. As you browse through the recycle bin, you'll notice that each entry provides useful details such as the item's name, who deleted it, and the exact time and date the deletion occurred. This information can be invaluable as it helps confirm that you've identified the right item. Once you found the item you want to retrieve, restoring it is a straightforward process. Simply hover over the item and you'll see an option to restore. Click on Restore, and just like that, the item will magically reappear in its original location. It goes back to the specific board or workspace it was part of, exactly where you left it, allowing you to seamlessly pick up right where you left off. And that's it. By following these steps, you can efficiently navigate through Monday.com and recover any mistakenly deleted items with ease. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on maximizing your productivity with Monday.com. Until next time, happy project managing.